let's make some custom taillights out of these. Let's see how that goes. Here's my basic concept. These taillights, these are stock out of the toaster. And y'all see they have these little black rings around them. Well, those rings do come off. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I know how they come off, for me at least. There is an easy way, but I'm not gonna do it the easy way. I wanna do it the hard way because I don't have the stuff to do it the easy way. Now, I want y'all to pay attention to the fact that I'm using taillights here, okay? Because there are a couple of videos that are coming up that have to do with taillights. Not these, but there's a little something special coming up pretty soon. And y'all might want to pay attention when that does come up because it can benefit you majorly. I'm going to come through here on the back side. These are actually a lip. These are metal, believe it or not. These are metal, even though they look plastic. They wrap around in here. The problem is there's no access for me to go through here. Now, if I had something long, thin, and metal, I could slip it down in here and pull that out and maybe slide these off. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Dremel, I'm gonna come right across through here, and we're gonna cut this out. So as you can see, I got both these sides cut out after a little bit of fighting with it. Found it better on this outer side toward the tailgate to come up a little bit off of it because you tend to bite too deep into here and it causes it to slow down, just not really work at all. So I came back this way. Now I do have a little bit hanging over here, but I think I can still get something in there and pry all of this out and make it really easy. So there we have it. The entire frame is off of here. And I just learned something after, let's just say, obtaining some taillights for another project. And I could have passed these along. These, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I can. There's little specks in here. These are the same ones that are on the early 80s Durangos and things like that. So the chrome trim taillights, these are the same ones. These are the same rings. They're just sprayed black. At least I get them for a custom project now. All right, I just wanted to show you all that process. I mean, I'm not doing anything with those right now, but I do have the project planned. I actually don't have the rest of the project here yet. So I'll be doing something with those frames, but something else with taillights brought this up and made me want to work on this because I literally just took those taillights off the other day before this situation came up, and I was like, well, I wonder what I can do with these since I don't need them and nobody else really needs them. And trust me guys, these lenses are shot, they're faded, they're scratched up. they weren't something that I was going to put on a show or a touring vehicle of sorts, which really that's what the Blazer is going to be. It's more of a touring vehicle than it is a show vehicle. You guys are going to see a show vehicle before too long on this channel. I can guarantee you that. But we'll save that for another time. Meanwhile, y'all, thank y'all for watching S10 Takes as always. Give us a like, comment, subscribe. Give us a thumbs down if you want to. Just tell us why. Y'all have a great week.